Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Dell monitor not turning on, power connection, outlet and button reset guide. Fix 1. Check the power cable connection. Turn off the monitor and unplug the power cable. Then firmly reconnect the power cable to the back of the monitor. Then make sure the other end is securely plugged into a working wall outlet or power strip. Then press the monitor's power button to see if it turns on. Second fix is check the power button. Locate the monitor's power button, then press and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. Release the button and press it once more to turn the monitor on. Then watch for the power LED to Dell logo. Third one is perform a power reset. Turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable from the monitor and the wall outlet. Press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. Reconnect the power cable, then turn the monitor back on. Fourth one is try a different power outlet. Unplug the monitor from the current outlet, then plug it into a different wall outlet that you know is working. If you are using a surge protector or extension cord, connect the monitor directly to the wall outlet. Press the power button again. Fifth one is disconnect all video cable. Turn off the monitor, then disconnect all HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C or VGA cable. Then leave only the power cable connected. Turn the monitor on and check if the Dell logo or no signal message appear. Thanks for watching.